And welcome to today's class, still on physics. Today, we'll be taking a new topic called elevator lift. While we are today, the question, an object weighing 80 Newton hangs by a rope from the ceiling of an elevator. What would be the tension in the rope if the elevator is accelerating A, upwards at 12 meters per second square, B, downwards at 12 meters per second square, C, downwards at 9.8 meters per second square, D, if the elevator is moving at a uniform speed. Now let's see how it's going to be. Let's divide the board into two as usual. Let's see what we are given. We can always say we have here solution. We have here given, we have weight here to be 80 Newton. Right? We have acceleration due to gravity to be 9.8 meter per second square. We have acceleration here to be 12 meter per second square. Now let's have, like I usually do, a free body diagram of the weight and all the forces that are acting on the body. Now let's assume this to be the body. This is tension and this is weight acting downwards. Now let's resolve this. Let's say that summation f of y equals to mass times acceleration. We have here for A, tension, since it's going upwards, tension minus weight equals to mass times acceleration. Therefore, the tension here, the weight is 80 Newton. We have here that weight equals to mass times acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, mass here will be weight over acceleration due to gravity. And mass is equals to weight here is 80 Newton over 9.8. If you divide 80 by 9.8, you will have the mass to be 8.16. Therefore, substitute that here, we have 8.16 times the acceleration, which is 12 meters per second square. Therefore, we will have tension equals to 80 plus 8.16 multiplied by 12. Therefore, I have tension here to be 80 plus 16 or 8.16 by 12 will give you 97.92. Therefore, the tension here will finally be, if you add 80 plus 97.92, you will have 177.9 Newton. Now that is the tension if it's going upwards. Tension is going upwards. Now, the B part says acceleration. What will be the acceleration tension in the rope if the elevator B part is going downward at 12 meters per second square? Now, the B part downward means that the weight is overwhelming the tension equals to mass acceleration. The weight here stated is 80 minus tension. The mass I've gotten before is 8.16 multiplied by acceleration, which is 12. Therefore, we have minus tension T to be equals to, we multiply 8.16 by 12, you will still have 97.92, and this 80 crossing over to that side of the equation sign, you will have minus 80. Therefore, the tension would be 97.92 minus 80, you will have 17.92. So this is minus, please. Therefore, let me put it here. Therefore, the tension will be equals to minus 17.92 Newton. Now that is the tension. That is the tension in the rope if the elevator is going downward. Now the C part says if the what will be the tension in the rope if the elevator is going downward at 9.8 meter per second square. That is its acceleration. Acceleration, that is the C part. Now the C part, you have that if the tension is going, if it's going downward, that means weight is overwhelming tension. Weight minus tension equals to MA. Now the weight, as usual, is 80 minus the tension equals to 8.16 times 9.8. Therefore, tension here will be 80 minus 8.16 multiplied by 9.8. Therefore, tension will still be, if you 80 minus 8.16 multiplied by 9.8, the tension here will be 0.032 Newton. Remember, that is the tension, that will be the tension if the rope is going downward. Remember, it's an elevator. Now, the final one, which is, let me make use of the board here, part of the board rather. Say if the elevator is moving at a uniform speed, that is D. Now, if it's moving at a uniform speed, summation of f of y will be equals to 0. Because if it's moving at a uniform speed, acceleration will be 0. Therefore, tension minus weight equals to 0. Since tension minus weight is equals to 0, you will have that tension will be equals to weight, and therefore the tension here, since it's equals to weight and weight is 80 Newton, therefore the tension will be 80 Newton. As simple as that. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more problem solutions in physics. Bye.